got 100 on his exam.
Then he cheated.
Did you cheat on that test?
What?
You cheated, Dickie. You got a 0 and you changed it to 100.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа.
There you go!
И все твои обещания.
Now move the flatbed over there. Do I have to?